Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the FabFitFun Winter Editor Box. So I've been subscribed to FabFitFun for almost 3 years now, and I just paid for another year worth, so that's exciting. So this is my favorite box ever. I love that you get home item, beauty, fashion, fitness, and just a bunch of variety of products. So that's what I love about it, and the value is usually pretty high. Usually this box runs for like $300 to $400 worth of stuff, and this box is $49.99. So I decided to get the editor box because I just can't help it. Usually I get the seasonal box and the editor box, which means I get like 8 boxes a year, but I just can't help it. I love all the products, and when they have their add-ons, I usually go crazy. Just crazy because such great deals. Anyways, this is gonna be my first time filming for this box, and I did want to say that I did get the winter box, and a lot of these items are gonna be repeats, but that's okay. I love this box, and I thought I would share it with you guys. So the first thing is that they give this $60 gift card for HelloFresh, which I think is really nice. You get this magazine, and it's got like your horoscope and product info and info about the brands and just a bunch of fun stuff. And then you get this card with the pricing and the product info on that. So the first product is from Spongel. I'm so excited. I love this. So we've gotten this quite a few times in FabFitFun, and like I said, I love these. When they have their add-ons, I usually stock up on these like crazy, because usually they have them for like $7, and yeah, definitely go overboard. I have like a container full of these because I love them that much. So basically, it's a sponge with soap in it, and these last a very long time, and they all smell good. So this one is the scent Beach Grass. I've tried this one and it smells amazing. So that retails for $16. I know that might seem expensive for a soap, but it does last a really long time, and it is a very nice product. So next, I got this hydrating shine mask for dry hair. So unfortunately, I'm going to be passing this along. I have oily hair, but I definitely have someone in mind for this. That retails for $36. And then I got this 3-pack of essential oils. I did get this in the winter box, but I think I only got 2 of them. So you get eucalyptus, lemongrass, and sweet orange. Yeah, so I only got eucalyptus and sweet orange in the other one, and these are really, really nice. So I'm really happy to get another one of these. That retails for $30, and it's a variation, so you can get that, or you can get the Glam Glow sheet mask, which I actually own as well. So that's the card, just in case you wanted to see that. I got these eye masks from Black. I did get this in the winter box as well. So I'm really happy to get another pack, because you get 5 of them for $29. So you get this Kate Somerville Exfoliate. We've gotten these quite a few times, and I do really like the product. You can choose that, or you can choose a hand cream. And this product here retails for $75, so such a great value. Next product is in this bag. So it's a wallet. Very pretty. It's like a blush, and on the back you can put your change in it. that area for your cards, and then you can stick your cash on either side. So I'm actually really happy to get this. I think this is super cute, and I actually really enjoy these rectangular wallets. I actually have a wallet that looks like this, but it's black. So that's a nice product. And that retails for $48. So you can get that, or you can get a color block throw blanket. So my next product is from Thrive Cosmetics. It's a eye brightening highlighter. So I actually did get this in the winter box. So I'm gonna just gift this one away. But I'll show you what it looks like. So it looks like that. And that it's like super pretty. I did try it out and I did like it. So that retails for $24. So next I got this Pier 1 3 mini ceramic prep bowls. So I love that you get like home items in FabFitFun. Like I've gotten mugs. I think in the spring or summer box we got a teapot, which was really, really cute. You got like dish towels and just like a bunch of like fun things. So that's what the bowl looks like. These are great for like dip, or if you wanted to put like sprinkles and icing if you were making cupcakes. So this one's like a rose pink. A blue, and a green. So I really love the colors of those, and I'm really excited to get those. So that retails for $24.95. So next, I have one more product, and it's this scarf. So I really love the design of this. It's like simple, but it's fun. And it pretty much matches everything, and it's super, super soft. So I'm really happy to get this. And it says it has a $99 value. I definitely think that's very, very expensive for a scarf, but it's very nice that we get it in the box. So there's a variation with this, and you can choose a purse for $58. So I'm really happy I did get the scarf because I do think it's really pretty, and it's so, so soft. So the value of the box is $308.95 to $382.95 depending which products you got. So that's a crazy value because the box is $49, which is not bad because you get like a lot of like luxurious products, like the Kate Somerville, for instance. This product is really good, and I always enjoy getting my FabFitFun. I'm really excited for the spring box, which is going to be coming out very soon, and I'm very excited to shop add-ons because, yeah, like I go crazy. They're really great deals, and I just love this box so, so much. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.